So we've been running the study abroad version of this class, Engineering and the Arts, since 2019. And the purpose behind the class is to introduce engineering in the context of various art forms. And we hold it in Florence, Italy, because all of what that represents in terms of the Renaissance and technological and artistic and political innovation in the history of the West. We've done well with that program with the students, and we've done well enough that we've heard from alumni that have said that they want to be involved somehow. And so we talked about ways that we could do that, and essentially what we came up with was an 8-day condensed version of the study abroad program for the alumni to come and participate alongside with the students. But it just provides a way for people that aren't current Auburn students to come and learn about the Renaissance and learn about figures in the Renaissance and learn about various types of engineering within various types of art form, and do that in a laid-back, relaxed setting where they can learn about the content in the morning, and then in the afternoon they can go and see it for themselves in person.
Overall, study abroad programs are wildly popular across campus in every department. So why not offer this kind of course to those who are continuing to learn in their career? This is really an art appreciation for the technically minded, and if you're in any kind of technical field or close to someone who is in a technical field, you've probably thought about things technically, but you may not have been taught to understand things from an art perspective.
I would absolutely recommend doing this program to any alum that I ever talked to, and I would really recommend it because it does take you back to the college experience that you don't get to have at any other time in your life, but you also get to experience all of the worldly culture that anyone would want to experience at any point in their life. So whether you're an alumni, whether you're an undergraduate student, the study abroad program really brings up so much that is just vital to growing as a person and in your knowledge in terms of engineering and in terms of the Renaissance and artistic culture.